Today in this video, I'll try to show you actually how to Drupal CMS to track the from and Facebook pixel conversion API, also Google Analytics for server-side tracking. So at first we need the two container, right? App container and server container. So we have already app container and server container. So this is our server container and this is our app container. So you can see I'm already create many tag and trigger and actually how many tag and trigger need we are already create. Okay. So right now we will see actually it is working properly or not. Okay. So go there and I'm trying to at first preview my server container. Okay. Then go back the app container. So right now we will see actually it is working properly or not and how we can actually see it is working properly. So I'm just click in the preview section. So you can see this is the server container. I'm already preview. We need to the also browser container preview, right? So I'm just clicking the browser preview section. Then we need to connect this site. Okay. So I'm trying to connect this. And right now, actually, everything we will check it is working properly on it. Actually, my client requirement at first we need to this from track. Okay, so at first we will see actually server side and browser side is connect properly or not, right? So go to the server container, you can see page view is fair, right? Then we need to go in the section and need to the take action, right? So I'm trying to the action, right? I'm just trying to the select my phone number. Um, yeah, I'm selecting the Bangladesh, and you can see this CMS is Drupal, right? So I'm just right here my number and the submit. Okay. So when I submit, can you see? It is show the thank you for your interest in Chikara cross twist. That means this site name. Go there to server container. You can see generate lead is fired. Also, if you see our browser, AB lead is fired. Also, AB server lead is fired. Also, if you go there and just click generate lead, you can see Facebook conversion API is fired. Also, Google Analytics is fired. Right now, we will see actually our data is properly pass or not, right? So we just click in the event tag, then you can see easily user data like email, address, first name, last name is properly working, right? Then also you can see is other like event name Israel and countries VD, so automatically is corrected. So our tag is properly working, we can easily identify, right? So that's it. And if you need to the any help, you can go to the my YouTube channel and you can easily contact with me in WhatsApp. Just click in the this link and you can easily connect with me in WhatsApp, right? So also if you have any question and any service, you can easily contact with me. And also if you want to the another video and more my previous work, you can see hopefully you can easily find out your problem. So that's it. Thank you so much. Take care. See you in another video. Don't be forget like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.